You ever wonder how easy it is to take care of a ductless system? I'm Reid Burns from N.E.T.R Inc. And today's episode of Discovering Ductless takes a look at mini split maintenance and how you can keep your ductless unit in great condition for years to come. Over time, dust and harmful substances like mold can build up in your ductless system if not properly maintained. As your equipment blows warm or cool air throughout your space, it pushes those tiny dangerous particles out into the open. This puts you and your family at risk of irritated eyes, headaches, runny noses, sore throats, allergic reactions, and other respiratory issues. Plus, dirt and grime cause your unit to work harder, which decreases its lifespan and increases the cost of ownership. Since a clogged ductless system can't operate as efficiently as a clean one, it wastes energy and drives up your electric bill. Thankfully, mini splits are incredibly easy to clean and maintain. The only thing you really need to do as an owner is take out the filters and rinse them off every month or two. These filters are intended to be reusable and only need to be replaced if they become damaged. The rest of your maintenance should be performed by a qualified professional. At N.E.T.R, we offer the Maintenance Plus program that takes the headache out of doing it yourself and provides a superior clean. We use a sophisticated, high-pressure water system with non-toxic cleaners to remove mold, mildew, fungus, bacteria, and other contaminants from every component of your unit to leave it pollutant-free and ready to keep your space comfortable. Thanks so much for watching today to learn about the importance of keeping your mini split clean and how N.E.T.R can help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you can tune in next time for more helpful tips.